Welcome to the EMS Academy, a place where we empower minds through English, math, and science. Today, we're diving into tenses, part 1. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to EMS Academy so you never miss out on powerful learning videos like this one. Share with your friends and help us grow a smarter community. Okay, thanks for subscribing. Now let's get started with types of tenses. We will include Swahili translations. We want you to learn smart and speak confidently. In English, there are 3 primary types of tenses. 1. Present tense, used to describe actions happening now. 2. Past tense, which is used to tell us about action that happened in the past or before now. And 3. Future tense is used to inform us about actions that have not happened but are expected to take place after now. Each of the primary types of tenses, present, past, and future, is classified into 4 categories. Together, these form 12 classes of tenses. Now, let's uncover the present tense categories. These include 1. Present simple tense. 2. Present continuous tense. 3. Present perfect tense. And 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Next, the past tense categories include 1. Past simple tense. 2. Past continuous tense. 3. Past perfect tense. And 4. Past perfect continuous tense. Finally, the future tense categories are 1. Future simple tense. 2. Future continuous tense. 3. Future perfect tense. And 4. Future perfect continuous tense. Congratulations! You've just learned and mastered the types of tenses. Understanding how tenses are categorized is a vital foundation for advancing your English skills. If you're still unsure about the 12 tense categories, don't worry. Rewatch this video as many times as needed and keep practicing. Up next, we'll explore the conjugation of the verb to be in the present tense categories. Stay tuned and keep learning with EMS Academy. Want to keep learning offline and master tenses and other English basics? Check out Dr. Libe's powerful books. Book 101, A Simple Guide for Building Your English Foundation, and Book 1, A Simple Guide for Building Your English Language Mastery. Call 0745-380-380 or email drlibe@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the EMS Academy tutorials. This is just the beginning of an exciting learning journey. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on powerful lessons in English, math, and science. Share with your friends too. More knowledge, more growth, more success, only at the EMS Academy.